Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Bianca. And kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to click that subscribe and hit that bell button beside it para maging updated ka every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments down below. Hi guys! For today's video, I'll be having a haul! Haul again. Haul na naman. Gastos na naman po. So, my friend and I went to the famous Detail Cosmetics and Squad Cosmetics sale. So, yes, besties, nag-sale si Detail Cosmetics and Squad Cosmetics. So, I saw this on TikTok. Si TikTok talaga napakabudol niyan. So, lahat na lang ng gastos ko galing kay TikTok. Mapa-staycation sa lahat ng galaan, kainan, and makeup budol. Ikaw ang may kasalanan ng TikTok. So, super sulit. As low as 10 pesos. Yes, 10 pesos, may mabibili ka na makeup products. So, I'm gonna share to you all the things that I bought there. So, let's start. This is what I got from the sale. So, yun, Detail Cosmetics and Squad Cosmetics, ito. I'll show them to you randomly. So, let's start. So, the first item is this one. This Squad Cosmetics Makeup Removing Wipes. Ayan. I don't know. Meron ba to? So, I got this for only 59 pesos. And ito naman yung original price niya. So, ayun. Super sulit niya kasi this is, I think it's 30 sheets. Ayun. 30 sheets. And naka-sale na din siya doon. So, why not, right? So, ayan. I bought the wipes. So, next item will be this one. I already saw this nung nirelease siya. Gusto ko siyang bilhin actually. So, mabuti na lang at nandun siya sa sale at kasama siya sa naka-sale kahit na I think it's just less than 10, 20 pesos. Pero at least naka-save ako ng few pennies, diba? So, I got this Squad Cosmetics Refreshing Melon Mist Makeup Spray. So, I got this for only, I think, 139 pesos. I got this for 139 pesos and ito yung regular price niya. Let's try it now. Alam nyo, all the products were already used. Kasi, nung nag-beach kami, ito yung dinala ko na makeup products. Who does their makeup on the beach? Next is this one. Funny story on this one. In-order ko na siya before and na-cancel siya. I don't know why. Kinancel siya ni sellers. Kinancel siya ni Detail Cosmetics. But I finally got this. It's the Detail Cosmetics Illuminating Primer Oil. So, primer oil siya with shimmer. And the original price for this is this one. Pero I only got this for 30 pesos. Imagine, 30 pesos. What a deal! It's a very good deal. Next, I have this one. It's the Detail Cosmetics Mineral Loose Powder. When I was shopping, gusto ko sanang mag-shop lang ng mga makeup products na malapit nang maubos sa akin or malapit na siyang mag-expire from my old makeup. Pero nung nandun ako, because the prices was too low and almost all products was on sale, kumuha na lang ako ng kumuha. So, I have pa a setting powder. I think I have two setting powder pa there. Pero I grabbed this last minute kasi super mura. Like, it's 40 pesos. But this is the original price. So, ito naman. I have here the Detail Cosmetics Lip Liner. It says lippy liner here. So, it's a lip liner. And yung shade niya is Marlon. I think. Ito ata yung shade name niya, Marlon. So, ito yung shade niya. I'm just gonna swatch it for you para makita nyo siya. Ayan. Ito yung shade niya. Perfect siya when you're wearing nudes. So, kasi meron akong lip liner na red from Everbilena. So, I have to grab this para sa mga nude lipstick ko. So, eto, I got this for only 10 pesos. Kung alam ko lang na 10 piso ito, kasi walang nakalagay na price doon. Kung alam ko lang na 10 piso lang to, I should have bought more. And, nung pag-uwi ko, medyo nang hinayang ako. And I really wanted to go back. I really wanted to go back. And my boyfriend told me also na, sana pala nagpabili ako sa'yo ng mga cosmetic products. Pang regalo daw niya. So, for his sisters or mother or titas, I think. Pero it's too late kasi when he told me that, it's already December 10 and yun, that's the end of the sale na. And ang layo, this one is 10 pesos but this is the original price. So, super, hindi ka manghihinayang na bumili ng madami. I don't know why I bought just one. So, I got a lip liner. Next is this one. I got a gel liner. And this is a happy purchase for me. Tuwang-tuwa ako nung nakuha ko to. Why? Because I hate it when I'm using a pen, the liquid eyeliner. Kasi lagi akong nauubusan especially when I'm doing creative looks. Lagi akong nauubusan ng eyeliner, for God's sake. And ang mahal-mahal pa naman. Yeah, mahal na siya para sa akin. Yung Careline na graphic ink liner, mahal na siya for me. Graph ink liner. So, I'm glad that I found this one. It's a gel eyeliner that I can do or I can use for like regular makeup looks. And ayan, suot ko siya. And it looks so good. Para siyang soft brown eyeliner lang. I got this for only, I think, 30 pesos. But the original price is this one. So, ayan. Okay, next, I have this one. Ito yung Detail Cosmetics Intense Cover Concealer nila. It says high coverage. So, ayan. In the shade, anong shade nito? Natural. So, ayan. I got this for only 30 pesos din, I think. And this is the original price. So, para naman mapalitan na yung Sassy Lady ko na concealer. So, I bought new concealer. Next is, I bought these 2 lip piece from Detail Cosmetics. It's their mousse lipstick. Mousse lipstick. Alam niyo, natutuwa ako dito, promise. Because it goes like this. You have to pop it sa top. Yan. Para lumabas yung lipstick. Ayan. Super cute, right? And then you have to twist it. Yan. This is a regular lipstick, pero yung container niya, super cute. And this one pa. Yan. Have to pop it and then yan. Ito yung shades na kinuha ko. We have the Bold Nude Edition and yung Rebel Red Edition. So, I have, kasi medyo sa lahat ng mga products, ito yung madaling maubos sa stock nila. But don't worry, yung mga staffs nila, kapag ka nakita nila na ubos na or wala nang laman, yung mga basket, they immediately restock it. And pumunta kami doon ng bandang hapon. So, super dami talagang namimili. As in, super daming namimili. So, this one, I got this for 20 pesos each. So, sulit na. Super creamy niya. I'm using this Bold Nude Edition. So, ayan siya. Let me reapply it. Super creamy and super gaan niya sa lips, I swear. I love the nudes of Maybelline, pero nung na-try ko to, maganda naman siya. So, ayan. This is the original price pala for this one. Medyo yung ibang items mahirap hanapin online. That's based on my research. So, ayan. So, next, dahil nasa lip products na din tayo, I also bought this one, the Squad Cosmetics Lip Tint in the shade, I don't know what the shade is. Monica. In the shade Monica. Ayan. Ang sabi kasi ni ate na nagbabantay dun sa basket. Ito daw is yung bestseller nila, si Monica. So, sabi ng kasama ko, ng friend ko ni Bestie, yun ang bilhin namin. So, we got this. Oh, so ayan yung shade naman niya. Water, I think this is a water-based tint. So, perfect siya for everyday use at kapag magmamask ka. So, I got this for only 39 pesos and ito yung original price niya. So, mostly yung mga detail cosmetics, yung mga super sale, and yung mga squad cosmetics meron lang less sa prices niya. But again, still kaysa naman bibili ako ng like the original price, at least nakabawas-bawas ako. At least meron pa ring discount. So next, isa to sa mga holy grail sa mga nabili ko. I bought this Squad Cosmetics Eyebrow on Flick. So, it comes with a pomade and a soap plus a brush. So, I got this for 79 pesos and this is the original price. So, it comes with a box. Tapos, ito yung lagayan niya. It comes with a little small brow, what do you call this? Eyebrow brush. So, ayan. Tapos, I got the shade pala, Walnut. So, ayun, dahil madaming bestie yung sumasawsaw dun sa side ng Squad Cosmetics. So, medyo hindi ako nakapili ng maayos na shade, but I think this is my shade. I'm using the eyebrow soap. Kasi medyo makapal naman talaga yung kilay ko. Kulang lang siya ng brush. I was planning to buy talaga a soap. Buti na lang nag-sale din si Squad Cosmetics. Kaya nakabili ako ng brow soap. Meron pa akong pomade. So, I got that one. Another one is this. I bought the BB cream ng Squad Cosmetics. The You Can Face It BB cream in the shade Tan. I think this is Tan. Yes, Tan. I'm wearing it right now. Pero, yung sa kaibigan ko, because we bought the same shade, medyo daw maitim sa kanya. Sa akin, I think this is a little bit darker than my foundation. Yung foundation ko na Focallure. But, I can work with this. I can still work with this. Kasi, halos malapit na siya and hindi siya yung perfect shade sa akin, but still, it's okay. I got this for 99 pesos and the original price is this one. So, very mura again. Meron ulit discount. So, next, I have here the Squad Cosmetics Flower Lip Oil. I love this because it has a tint. So, kahit ito lang yung i-apply ko sa lips ko when I'm going out. Super good. Got this for only... I keep looking at it kasi tinitingnan ko yung resibo ko. So, I got this for only 49 pesos. Ayun. Again, a deal. And the original price for this one is this. So, discounted ulit. I still have one item left. Pero ito kasi is last na sa makeup products. I have the Detail Cosmetics Velvet Flush. Alam nyo, sa lahat ng items doon, ito yung pinaka best buy kasi madaming good reviews about the Velvet Flush. As in, sa TikTok, madami ako nakita na like, oh, I wanted the Velvet Flush so bad and naka-sale pa siya. That's super deal. Again, nasa uli yung pagsisisi because I should have bought the 3 shades na nandun. But I only got one. Why? Bakit? Ba't hindi ako hoarder? Charot. So, ayan siya. Diba, ang dami niyang product for... Ang daming product na nandito. It's like 8 grams of products. I got the shade Luna pala. So, this is a multi-use mousse for lips, cheeks, and the eyes. So, super sulit nito. I got this for only 50 pesos. And imagine, this is the original price for this. Again, gusto ko sanang bilhin yung 3 shade. Pero, nung nakauwi na ako, saka ko lang yun na-realize. So, My last item would be this one. I got the Squad Cosmetic pouch. So, parang siyang maliit na makeup pouch. Ayan siya. Na clear. Para, bestie, kapag ka may kailangan ka, nakikita mo agad yung laman ng pouch mo para hindi ka naghahanap kung nasa na yung lip tint ko, nasa na yung lipstick ko, nasa na yung eyeliner ko, or where's my lip oil. So, ayan. And, naka-sale din kasi siya, kaya ako siya kinuha. Like, I asked my friend, like, oh, should we get that? Kasi naka 3 for 100 siya. Sayang naman. It's really, really cute. And she said, yes, get it. So, ayan. I bought this, we bought this. Isa na lang siya because I'm using the one. Tapos yung pangalawa, nasa friend ko kasi yun, dinamay ko siya or sinama ko siya doon kasi ayoko mag-shopping. Honestly, hindi ako nasisiyahan na mag-shopping mag-isa. I'm that kind of person. I always want somebody to accompany me kasi I wanted to like, oh, best, this cute, is this good, is it worth it to buy? Kailangan ko nang magko-coach sa akin kung gagastos ba ako or hindi, bibilhin ko ba or hindi, worth it ba siyang bilhin or hindi. So I needed a coach. And I wanted someone to look at me and like, oh, that's so good, do you buy it? So, ganon. Ewan ko ba kung ba't ang arte ko ngayon sa video ko, but that's it. That's everything that I bought. So, at the end of the video, sabi ko mag-bill reveal tayo. So, magkano nga ba yung nagastos ko in total? So, this is my bill, if you can see it. I don't know, naka-mirror kasi siya. Pero it's, all in all, I have 803. Yung bill ko, when I pay for the makeups, yung total ko is 803 pesos. And almost all nabili ko, like I bought like a full set of makeup and different lipstick pa. So, full package na siya for 803 pesos. Bestie, kapag ka sa Watsons ka nag-shop ng makeups for 803 pesos, siguro mga 4 na products lang yun. More or less, 3 or 4 na products for 800 pesos. Like, pero, I bought yung total ng items ko is like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 items for 803 pesos. That's really, really a good deal. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So, see you next time. See you on my next video. Bye!